Friends, Ankit this side. Today we are entering one of the best studio luxury residential serviced managed serviced studio apartments in Gurgaon at sector 74 of M3M Corner Walk by the name of Lofts at the rate of 74. So let's enter with the most luxurious managed service apartment in Gurgaon. So this will be the type of lobby which you will get in the M3M Loft 74. So you are seeing a view of the double height living. The first type of studio apartments in India which are of double height. So the living will be of 2x type. So let me go through and introduce with one of the premium of M3M, Mr. Jashanpreet Sethi sir. Hi Jashan sir. So we are taking you ahead of the studio apartments of M3M. Please. So this is the entry of the one of the type of office apartments in M3M. This is the entrance which you see one of the washroom is there. They have just made it designed as per of that of the office requirement. So that can suit as per the interior of the offices. So most of the lawyers, interior person or the doctors can take this studio apartment for as in self-use. So Jashan sir, why lofts at the rate 74? If I ask you as compared
if we
to
talk about the service apartments, if we talk about the managed service suites, so people have just seen single heighted service apartments. When I say single heighted, the normal ceiling height of the apartments were till date, it was like 9.5 feet, but we have given 19 feet, which gave us the privilege to use almost 70 to 72% of the super built up area. If we
So-
see the entire area, the size of this area is 869 square feet, but if you see the height, that is 19 feet.
ooh wow, 19 feet. I
Yes.
think this is the first time in Gurgaon.
Yes, this is the first time in Gurgaon. And
Even not in Gurgaon, in the entire India.
Yes. So we at M3M have made this particular thing possible. If you see, this is the balcony area, particularly with every service apartment. If you have a view of that particular apartment from this particular area, then you have an idea that we have given a different zone altogether, which can be used as a lounge, or can be used as a director's cabin, or can be used as a bedroom, or can be used as a private area of yours, or can be used as a party lounge. Whatever a person wants inside, he has the entire world in 869 square feet.
या एंड सबसे बड़ी बात है कि इसमें आपको यूजेबल एरिया ज्यादा मिलता है एज कम्पेयर टू दैट ऑफ द अदर कमर्शियल्स व्हिच यू फाउंड
एंड फॉर इन्वेस्टर्स, बिकॉज हमारे पास हाइट ज्यादा है, हमारे पास एरिया ज्यादा है, तो रेशनल ज्यादा होगा, रेंटल ज्यादा होगा, एंड दैट्स द ओनली थिंग व्हिच इन्वेस्टर वांट्स टू अंडरस्टैंड, वेयर ही इज पुटिंग मनी एंड व्हाट ही इज गेटिंग आउट ऑफ इट.
Yeah, so I think the brand which will come in this type of project will be a higher leasing
Yes.
tenure
Yes.
and will be a higher rental also as for the clients.
Yes.
So we are going in the same loft 74 at the first floor.
The first floor, yes.
So
This is a lounge area.
let me show you the look. This is a lounge area.
We can convert this area into a director's cabin as well. We can use this area as a party lounge as well, or whatever a person wants.
What is the efficiency in terms of the project? What is the efficiency of this?
यूजुअली अगर हम किसी कमर्शियल प्रॉपर्टी को देखते हैं तो 50% के आसपास की एफिशिएंसी आती है, बट अगर हम इस पर्टिकुलर कैंपस की बात करते हैं, लॉफ्ट 74 की बात करते हैं, तो हमारी एफिशिएंसी समवेयर अराउंड 70 to 72% के आसपास आएगी.
राइट 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 और सबसे अच्छी बात है इस प्रोजेक्ट के अंदर कि यू विल गेट अ गुड ब्रांड व्हिच विल टेक दिस प्रोजेक्ट इन अ वेरी लॉन्ग टर्म.
Yes.
तो अगर
we have
टेक्निकली
total 320 rooms, so we are expecting a
you are not only the total, you have the only 320
Yes,
rooms.
only 320 rooms, which would be taken care by a single 5-star chain.
Yeah.
It can be Ascot, it can be Hilton, it can be Hyatt, and they would be taking care of the entire.
So I think there will be a fight of the hotel brands that which
Yeah,
hotel brand
definitely
would,
would be, yes.
would take this. So this is the concept of the office spaces which we have shown you. Now we are going to take you the another concept of the same loft, that if the hotel chain comes, that how they design these studio apartments as per their own comfort, and how the look of the studio apartment, because it is India's first double height managed service studio apartment. So we are taking you to the studios which will be taken care by the any of the hotel or the hospitality chain. So let me take you inside. So what is excited? What is more in this studio apartment, Jashan ji?
आप मुझे ये बताओ अंकित, आपने दोनों अपार्टमेंट्स देखे हैं, कौन सी चीज आपको ट्रिगर की है, कौन सी चीज आपको लगा कि ज्यादा अच्छा है? बट जैसे आपने बोला, सो दिस वुड बी मोर लाइक अ होटल कंसेप्ट, जो मैंने आपको ये वाला रूम दिखा रहा हूँ. सो दिस वुड बी कि कैसे आप एक सर्विस अपार्टमेंट में रह सकते हैं. वो आपने एज अ वर्किंग पॉइंट ऑफ व्यू से देखा था. दिस इज मोर लाइक अ लिवेबिलिटी पॉइंट ऑफ व्यू से. सो ये हमने अगेन 869 स्क्वायर फीट का एक सैंपल तैयार किया है, जिसके बीच में यू हैव ऑल द 5-star फैसिलिटीज. यू सी द किचनेट, यू सी द वॉशरूम, यू सी द पाउडर रूम, यू सी द डबल हाइट लिविंग एरिया, व्हिच इज द चार्म ऑफ द थिंग. अभी तक अगर आप देखते हो तो सिंगल 9-9 फीट की हाइट के बीच में क्या व्यूज आते हैं, क्या लुक एंड फील आती है. बट विद 19 फीट यू हैव अ मैसिव, यू हैव अ ग्रैंड लिविंग डाइनिंग एरिया.
I think it is amazing.
This is amazing. Yes.
It is just like the business class of some airport
Yes,
flight.
yes, yes, it is. We have different balcony again. जैसे आपको मैंने पहले balcony दिखाई थी, इसके साथ भी balcony है. Every apartment has a balcony.
What is the exclusivity of this balcony?
Every apartment has its own balcony. It's very very exclusive.
And it is of 19 feet.
Yes.
सबसे बड़ा USP it is of 19
balcony
feet.
आज तक लोगों ने देखी होगी like 9 फीट सवा 9 फीट 10 फीट तक ऊपर एक और दीवार आ जाती है.
Yeah.
Particularly here आपको 19 फीट के बाद एक दीवार आती है.
Yeah, so the people which are coming in this balcony have the grandiose look.
Yes, grandeur look. Yes, they have.
Yeah. So we are expecting a very top-notch brands in such type of hospitality chain, because in the current time
we'll start leasing somewhere around post 1.5 years, because जो हमारा tenure है पोजीशन का वो 2 साल का है. 1.5 साल बाद हम लीजिंग ऑन करेंगे. We have not started leasing yet, but then again we'll be giving it to a very top-notch brand.
it will be a fight for the leasing, because every hospitality brand would like to involve themselves as of India's first brand for the double height studio apartments, because it is not just only the legacy for the M3M, but it is just the legacy for the hospitality brand also, that either the Radisson or the Hyatt or the Leela is the only first brand in India which has the double height studio apartment.
Yes,
So
you're right.
it gives a very shivering fever. So see the friends, we are currently on the area. What is the area of this studio apartment,
So
Jashan
the
sir?
area is 869 square feet, but lofts as a property we have minimum size of 869, goes as high as 1280. So we have different variants of 935, 1080, 1130. So we have different sizes. If you see this particular thing, we have a bedroom made over here. Then if you see from here, we can see the double height living dining area as well. Then this area has a private washroom.
It gives the feeling that you are in the Trump Tower of the double height or in the villa.
So if you see, we have a feeling that the entire space can be used in whatever way you want to. The best thing about the properties.
Yeah. And what's the most advantages in this product that in the other, if the other brands are there in the market, they're only giving that lease assurance, but why the M3M is the only one which is the guarantee, not only the assurance?
We are very much sure that whatever the MG we are saying, we can get a lease even more than that. At the same time, if this is a part of the mega campus, जिसको हम corner walk बोलते हैं, it's not just a service apartment. This property is a combination of high-end offices, high-end retail, multiplexes, everything. So corner walk के अंदर आपको सब कुछ मिलता है, whatever a person thinks commercially.
So कहाँ से लेकर आई आप ये unique concept?
ये concept तो जी सर M3M का है, पंकज जी का है. And please see the washroom if you want to see. हमने क्या दिया हुआ है अंदर से? You have a better view. You can come here.
Yeah, so it is just the luxury.
Yes.
It is just one of the.
Every frame speaks about the luxury. Yes.
Yeah. So if we speak of the studio apartments, so very limited studio apartments, they are in Gurgaon.
So on if I talk about 5-star studio apartments, so on SPR this would be the first. If we see the amount of companies coming on this particular road, we talk about American Express coming, we talk about Genpact already sitting over here, we can talk about Vistara, we can talk about Google, we can talk about TCS, who are already sitting over here. So this would be the only thing available in the radius of 5 kilometers. But
and just adjacent to DLF Cyber City too.
yes, and adjacent to the wall of the property is even touching the wall of American Express campus, which is being developed by DLF.
Yeah, and very soon we also heard that in the market, the DLF is coming up with the another product in Sector 76 with a huge
yes.
catchment of more than 700 apartments. So what would you like to say? Those 700 residents of DLF, where they would go?
Where they would go? So commercially, if you see, this road would only be developed by M3M and DLF to that extent.
And these are the two top-notch brands of the Gurgaon. You cannot compare the M3M and the DLF with XYZ, any of the
Yes,
other brands
you
in the
cannot.
industry, because the portfolio which the M3M and the DLF carries in this current time in the Gurgaon is the biggest. DLF is 80-year-old company and M3M is 10-year, but the portfolio which the M3M is maintaining with such a speed, and they're developing and delivering their products on time back to back. So it is so excited to see a long-term journey.
So you just get ready for the new campaign coming tomorrow. It's Oxygen, and this would be the biggest campaign till date. in the industry.
Another thing which I would like to ask from you, this is the very most important, because in such time, in such crucial time where the other hospitals and the big hospitals are just earning money from the patients which are coming for the treatment and all that, this is the first time the M3M in Sector 67 has opened the apartments which have converted the studio into the hospital beds without a single penny. They have just taken care. So what would you like to say about this side of customer care relationship of M3M
So
with the...
this is because being the company, being the company, we understand that these were the tough times.
This is the first time, because I recognize no other developer or no other thing in the entire country has done such a big thing, because recently Manohar Lal Khattar ji has inaugurated that hospital, and it is giving the thing that we are not only developing the products and all that, we also know how to take care of the people in the city.
We know how to take care of clients, we know how to take care of the people around, and these were the tough times, but with God's grace we are like ahead of it. And thank you so much to the management, I must say. Like
This shows what is the perception of the M3M about the market. It's not only by constructing or launching campaigns and delivering products on time, but also they know how to take care of the Gurgaon people, or except they know the hospitality along with the care and protection of the people of the city.
You're absolutely right.
Chalo, thank you so much, Jashan sir. People, if you'd like to invest in such a product with earning a great rental income for the long term with a guaranteed, what is the minimum guarantee of this studio apartment which you are offering
We are
currently?
giving 60 rupees per square feet. So 60 rupees, by 60 rupees we say कि जैसे ही possession हो जाता है, आपको पहले दिन से we are giving you the MG. MG का मतलब minimum guarantee of 60 rupees.
Friends, minimum guarantee is the only developer in the Gurgaon which is providing the MG minimum guarantee के इतना तो आपको मिलेगा ही मिलेगा by default. Profit रहा तो आपका, loss रहा तो M3M का. So this is what the mentality of M3M is all about. So we are not going to end this video. Just if you have the budget of between 1.2 to 1.8 CR, you can look up this studio apartment, the futuristic studio apartment, and you can invest your money here. And me, Ankit Malik from My Shop Deal, Jashan sir is there to guide you, take you through the entire M3M portfolio, and we are awaiting your response. Thank you. Stay safe, take care, get vaccinated. Thank you so much, everyone.